Well, how you going, lads? Just after coming out here to one of our clients and just after losing the track, so we're just going to show you quickly here, just out in the field and everything, all the rest of it on how to put back on the track. So it's pretty simple, really. So first of all, you need like a 27mm socket. You just open off this inspection thingy here first. I think the client actually had them off before we came, but I think it's about a 14 or something like that, or the imperial, so the equivalent. So just get your 27mm socket. There is a grease nipple in there. You don't need to take out the grease nipple now, so it's just basically all you need to do is you just need to loosen off this lad here, the bigger lad, and you don't have to take him out all the way. You just give it a couple of turns like that, and you'll actually see the way the pressures that are coming off the tracks then out. That should be enough. You can see a little bit of grease, a little bit of shit in there coming out anyway. And then all you do is just jack it up a bit, and just what happens is that idler will actually go back in that way. And we just jack up the machine there now. Probably the easiest way is probably just use a bar and just crowbar it off first, and we'll get it on this one first, get it back onto this idler first, and then we'll get it over the sprocket and use the sprocket to help ourselves put it back on. And just wash the fingies as well. You just try and get it over the top, and usually it will just flick on for you then. So basically it was just controlling it there. It is good if you have another operator with you as well. They can kind of help you out. But the main thing is like pinch points and stuff like that and everything. Just look after yourself. You probably should be wearing gloves as well as another thing. And then basically all you do is probably just shut the machine down there now for a second. And then all you do is that bigger nut, that 27mm nut that we've taken off earlier. We know now that everything's on. Everything's on the back idler. Everything's on the sprocket on the front, so we can give that a wee tighten up. Just like that. Don't have to overdo it or anything, but tight is tight, as they say. And then we'll just get a grease gun and just pump it up. We don't want to go too hard on it either, but just enough that the track's not going to slip off again. Like I said, just get onto that nipple in there. And you'll feel it anyway.
You can see how the tracks are shifting underneath as well as he's pumping the grease into the nipple.
like I say, you don't want to go too mad with it, but as long as there's a little bit of play on it, and as long as it's not too tight either. And that is it. Basically put back on your inspection pit. Thing.
Is it up top?
Ah, yep, goes there.
That still looks too loose to me. Is it just, that's just because it's jacked up, right?
It's jacked up, sure. Sit it on the ground anyway. That's it. And then when you're doing, obviously look after well for your pinch points and you also that, but you just have to move them whichever track you want, like, and then that'll help you then kind of circulate the track on for you. Thanks for watching.